Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to rename a file. So first of all, what is a file? So in a computer, a file is an object that will store your data, information, settings, commands, everything. It can be like a text document, like a text file. It can be a video file. It can be anything and it will store your data. So this is a file in a computer. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are at my desktop. Now this is the text file I created. Now if I want to rename it, I will have to right click over this, click on rename, then I will type the, let's say, the renamed and hit enter. Now the name of this file is renamed and it has the same text from before. So this is how you rename a text file. So now let's summarize. So in this video, we have learned how to rename a file in Windows. Thank you for watching.